Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with backup camera ready, stabilizer jacks, electric awning, outside kitchen refrigerator, outside shower, outside speakers, outside storage, double step entry, flip down travel rack, LED exterior lighting, spare tire, solar power prep, front bedroom, double door refrigerator, mini blinds, set of bunks, fire extinguisher, dual lights over headboard, bathroom toilet, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, detachable power cord, LP leak detector, windows at each bunk, range hood with exhaust fan and light, overhead storage, sink covers, booth dinette, smoke detector, tire pressure monitors. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.